Hey Warenotice Shane here, coming at you guys with another awesome technology video, and today we're going to be unboxing something super duper cool, the brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone in its mystic white color variation. So this phone is pretty insane, guys. This particular version of it, the 128GB version, will set you back about $1,300 before taxes, so it's obviously at the very top of the line of Samsung's non-folding premium flagship smartphones. It's got a whopping 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED 2x Infinity O display, and wow, that is a mouthful. That is a big name for a display that also has a 120Hz refresh rate. This phone also has an impressive triple rear camera system that can shoot not only in 8K when it's recording video, but it even features a whopping 108 megapixel wide-angle lens camera. So yeah, very good camera specs. But that's not all, folks. The Note 20 Ultra also has an octa-core Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, 12GB of RAM, IP68 water resistance, and obviously, guys, if I'm not making this clear by now, this phone is such a powerful beast of a smartphone. So anyway, guys, without further ado, I'm clearly super excited to get this guy right out of the box and start using it. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that. Here we go, guys. Warenotice, I got the tech, and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this phone's box. As you can see on the front, we've got a picture of the S Pen, as well as it kind of says N20 right there in this dark black lettering, so you might not be able to pick that up, but the S Pen right here is in white. It also says Note 20 Ultra 5G. Once again, that is the name of the smartphone. Makes sense. And also on this side of the box, it also says Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Once again, definitely makes sense. So anyway, let's open this guy up. So we can just pull the top right off the box right here, and boom, there is the Note 20 Ultra 5G in all of its glory. We can just put the top of the box to the side right here, and let's check out the phone. We can just peel the plastic off just like that. Beautiful, beautiful. And we can grab the phone right here, and wow, look at that mystic white color. That is pretty fancy. Let's do that right there. And wow, this is definitely a very beautiful phone. Look how thick that camera hump is. I didn't realize it would be that thick, but it definitely is. We can put this to the side right here and see what else is in the box. Don't worry, we'll definitely come back to it. It is the star of the show. So yeah, here we go. We can pull this little Samsung thing up. We can pop out this wall plug right here for charging up the phone. We can pop out this little thing right here, pop this out, and we've got also a, let's see, a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging up the phone. Makes sense. And yeah, let's see, is there anything over here? Yep, in the top of the box right here, we've got a little hidden secret box right here. Samsung usually does that, puts a box in the top of the box. It's very interesting. So right here, we got the SIM ejector tool, and we can just pop this up right here, and we can just open this up, and here's the quick start guide, terms and conditions, just some paperwork for you guys. And yeah, just like that, folks, now that we've seen what is in the box, let's get the Note 20 Ultra 5G right here all nice and set up and start using it. And folks, just like that, now we've got the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone right here all nice and set up. Look at this beautiful guy, and let's come over here and take a closer look at it. Now, we could talk about my first impressions of the phone. The first one is that I'm just in love with this huge screen. I actually put this phone right up next to my iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is actually the biggest iPhone that Apple makes, and this bad boy right here, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, was still like way bigger than that phone, so I just think that's awesome. This guy right here, this might just be the biggest flagship smartphone that I've tested, obviously excluding foldable smartphones that are designed to be obviously a little bigger than that because they fold. But yeah, I just really love the size of this guy. And speaking of size too, this phone is actually quite thick and got a little bit of weight to it, which I just actually think is a positive thing. I think that really makes it feel like it has a sturdy, hefty, well-built build quality. So yeah, it definitely has a presence in the hand, which I actually really like. So anyway, folks, now that we've talked about the front of the phone and the build quality of the whole phone, let's come over here to the back of the phone, and I can tell you about the rear camera array. Right right here on the top, this first lens right here is going to be the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Down here, this second lens is going to be the 108 megapixel wide angle camera. And last but not least, this camera right here is going to be the 12 megapixel telephoto camera. So yeah, that is pretty cool right there. And also, if you're wondering what this little guy right here is, that's going to be the laser autofocus sensor. And right here, that's going to be the flash. Obviously makes sense. Over here, we got Samsung logo. Over here on the side of the phone, we got the power button right here. We can just unlock the phone right here. And right here, we got the volume rocker. Now over here on this side of the phone, we got nothing. Over here on the bottom, we got a USB-C port. We've got the S Pen right here. We could just bring this little guy out right there. Look how cool it is. It's in mystic white, just like the phone. We can put this back in and play around with it some more in just a second. Speaker grill, USB-C port. And last but not least, folks, over here on the top of the phone, we got the SIM card tray. And yeah, now that I've shown you guys around the phone, let's talk more about the screen and actually how to unlock the phone. So you can unlock it a bunch of different ways. I've set up both the in-screen fingerprint reader and the face recognition. So if I just point this bad boy at my face, see right there, it just unlocked it super duper quick and phone unlocked. But the cool thing about having an in-screen fingerprint reader, especially right now in the current 2020 age, is when you are wearing a mask. I'll just put my mask on real quick. Guess what? You can still unlock the phone without having to enter your passcode. And yeah, let me show you. So we can just pull this up and see, look, the face recognition, it's not going to work obviously because my face is covered, so it says no match. But then I can just go right here and boom, just like that, unlock it with my fingerprint. And just see how fast that is. I really do love in-screen fingerprint readers. I think they're so awesome. And especially once again, during this age when everyone has to wear a mask, I think they're definitely necessary. My daily driver phone is, once again, the iPhone. So I definitely get quite frustrated when I'm trying to unlock it and I don't necessarily want to put my passcode in, but I'm wearing a mask and I can't because the latest iPhone, the 11 Pro Max, it has Face ID, but it doesn't have Touch ID or any form of fingerprint scanning, so it just gets super annoying. And then I have to enter my passcode, and I just want that quick, easy unlocking, but I can't do it. So that's why I think the fingerprint reader, especially under the screen, which I think is the best place to put a fingerprint reader, is really awesome on this device. And Samsung, I just got to say, I really appreciate you guys for putting that on here, especially when a lot of our faces are covered right now because of the current situation. Anyway, guys, now that I've shown you how to unlock the Note 20 Ultra 5G, let me show you more about that S Pen. So once again, we can just pop and pull it out just like that. Air actions, it talks about how you can sort of use the S Pen as a remote control with this phone because of that button right there. So you can use it to open apps, take pictures, control music, and more without touching your screen. So let's try it out, okay? So we can try the up action right here. We can just go whoop, and oops, try again. Let's see, can I do it? Whoop. Great job. Hey, I did it. Uh-oh, try the shake action, okay? Great job. Hey, maybe I'm getting better. That one I got my first try. Okay, try this circle action. Try again. Okay, let's see. So, whoop. Perfect. Ooh, I'm getting good at this, guys, okay? And yeah, anyway, now that we know all those gestures with the S Pen, let's play around with it. So we can tap over here and we can create a note. So I don't know, maybe I'll just make a little smiley face because I'm happy. Oh yeah, look how cute that is. And maybe we can write something. Warenotice. Awesome. Make sure you guys subscribe, obviously. Warenotice is pretty cool. And yeah, now we can exit out of that. We've played with the S Pen, so I'll just put them away into there, just like that. And yeah, guys, next to test out this phone screen some more, let's watch one of my YouTube videos on it. Hey guys, Shane here, just coming at you all with a nice quick update. I know this is a technology YouTube channel right here at Warenotice, but I just wanted to share some really great and exciting news with all of you guys. I'm transferring to Vanderbilt University. I actually just committed there, and as you can tell, I'm already all decked out here with a Vanderbilt sweatshirt and of course a Vanderbilt tie. So yeah, guys, I'm just really proud that all my hard work paid off, and I'm finally achieving my dream of going to an Ivy League level top 15 US college. Anyway, now that we've watched a YouTube video on this phone's beautiful screen, let's get to testing out the cameras instead of the screen. So we can fire up the camera app, and now we're on the 10 megapixel selfie camera right there. So we can just bring it right over here and let's take a selfie. Cheese. And let's see, guys, how does that look? Do I look pretty beautiful in this selfie right here? I hope you say so. There I am. And anyway, folks, now let's test out the triple rear camera. So we can test out the normal camera lens, otherwise known as the wide angle lens, right here, and take a picture of the Warenotice logo right here. And there is what that picture looks like. Looks really beautiful, and that red color really does pop. That's a stunning image, if I do say so myself. Anyway, now let's test out the other camera lenses. So we can come over here and let's try the telephoto zoom lens. We can go to 5x zoom right there. And what should I take a picture of? I don't know. Let me take a picture of my camera right there for you guys. Boom. We can snap that. And here is what that picture looks like right there. Definitely a solid picture of my Canon camera right there. And you can even see myself right there in the viewfinder, so that's definitely pretty cool. Anyway, now we can try the last lens right there. Let's see. We can try the ultra wide angle lens, which is going to let you fit even more into the picture. So they call this 0.5x zoom, because you essentially zoom out by getting that bigger ultra wide angle. So yeah, what should I take a picture of? You know, I think I'll use this ultra wide lens to take a picture of my whole setup I got going on right here. So I can just take that picture, and here is what this looks like right there. Beautiful dual monitor setup we got, laptop monitor, pretty cool if I do say so myself. And yeah, once again, I will just comment on how the colors really pop with the pictures I've taken so far with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's camera. As you can see, the red just really stands out in this image, so I definitely like that. And I mean, yeah, guys. Anyway, with that, now we've covered the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone in this nice, quick, easy unboxing video of it. If I have to summarize my first impressions of it once again, I will definitely say great screen. I love how big it is. Great build quality. I love that it's got a little bit of thickness to it, as well as a little bit of weight to make it feel like super duper sturdy and hefty in the hand. I just love that. It feels like a big boss phone for sure. So guys, once again, this particular version of the phone, the 128GB version, will set you back about $1,300 before taxes. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this phone. Do you think the Note 20 Ultra is worth it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Definitely let me know down there, because I do read all the comments, by the way, because I just love hearing from you guys. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, guys, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. Bye.